Hello friends, how are you? Hopefully all of you are doing good and you are enjoying your holidays. But still, I know that there is the examination on the 10th and 11th. So I hope that all of you are doing the very hard work and hard preparation for your examination, FSI examination. So I just came for your help, and today we will discuss another important topic of FSI written examinations. And today we will discuss the topic about the modified atmosphere storage, or we can be say that modified atmosphere packaging. And that topic will be covered under the unit part C, and in the food processing and the preservation. So before going detail into that video, I request all of you that please ensure that you hit the bell icon button and you subscribe my channel. And I also request all of you, please share my videos, and please like my videos, and please share with your friends also, and please keep motivate me and support me. So thank you. So let's start our today's topic. Today we will discuss about the modified atmosphere packaging. So before going further details into that video, we must be know about the what is the modified atmosphere. So modified atmosphere is not a too much complex process. We say that modified atmosphere means when we made the modification into the natural atmosphere composition, it is known as the modified atmosphere. It means change in the level and concentration of various gases present into the natural atmospheric air, or in the case of the MAP, it means elevated level of carbon dioxide and reduced level of oxygen and the nitrogen. So modified atmosphere means generally modification into the natural atmospheric air to control the microbial spoilage into the food commodities. In generally in the MAP, if we are talking about the definition of the modified atmosphere packaging, so it is derived from the term modified atmosphere. So modified atmosphere packaging may be defined as the packaging of food products into gas barrier material, in which gaseous environment means inside the packaging in gaseous environment has been modified and changed in order to inhibit the spoilage agents. In MAP, air is generally replaced with the 2 or 3 gaseous mixtures to control the microbial activity and retard the discoloration of the food commodities. The gases normally employed into the modified atmosphere packaging or control atmosphere packaging are CO2, or mixture of CO2 and nitrogen, and CO2 and oxygen, or it can be the combination of all three gases, CO2, nitrogen, and oxygen. And in the modified atmosphere packaging and the control atmosphere packaging, generally it is very necessary to control over the gaseous concentration into the storage or into the package. Generally, when we lose the control, or when we not having a good control over the gaseous mixture, then definitely it may be result into the bad quality of the food commodities. So improper control over gaseous mixtures, it means too low oxygen level and too high concentration of the CO2 into the modified atmosphere packaging, it may increase the microbial decay into the food products. Now we will discuss about the physiological basis of the control atmosphere or the modified atmosphere storage. The physiological basis of the both type of atmosphere techniques, like the control atmosphere and the modified atmosphere, is basically the same. When we made the change into the atmospheric air present into the package or the storage house, it generally reduce down the ACC synthesis, which is a regulatory enzyme for the ethylene biosynthesis. When the ACC oxidase activity reduced down, due to that ACC reduced down activity, the ethylene production will also reduce down to the product, and due to that the respiration and the ripening process of the food products is generally reduced down. So the basic principle behind the modified atmosphere and the control atmosphere is that when we increase the concentration of the CO2, it reduce down the ethylene production, and we reduce down, and when we reduce down the oxygen level, it reduce down the respiration rate of the food commodities. So So by the elevation level of the CO2 and the reduction level of the oxygen, we get two things. Means firstly, ethylene production will reduce, that result into the delay into the ripening process, and lower level of the oxygen, it result into the uh, uh, result into the low, means lower respiration rate, or it generally results into the that commodity will take more time for the maturity, for the maturity. And optimum atmospheric compositions generally also retard the chlorophyll loss, which is known as the green color, biosynthesis of the carotenoids, yellow and orange colors, and anthocyanins, cyanins, and biosynthesis of oxidation of phenolic compounds into the food commodities. So generally the discoloration of the food commodities also reduce down during the controlled atmosphere and the modified atmosphere storage. Now, what are the various methods which is employed to create the modified atmosphere into the packaging, or we can say into the warehouse and the storage? So generally, in the industries, generally two types of methods used for the creation of the modified atmosphere. First one is known as the passive modified atmosphere, and second one is known as the active modified atmosphere. So in the passive modified atmosphere, we say that it is the natural process in that appropriate atmosphere created within a sealed package or with the sealed storage or warehouse as a result of the consumption of the oxygen and the production of the CO2 through respiration of the commodity itself. It is termed as the passive modified atmosphere. Or we can say that in the passive atmosphere, we didn't need any type of machineries or any type of mechanical machineries to create a specific atmosphere inside the package. Specific in that it is, we can say that it is the uncontrolled, because in that passive modified atmosphere, generally the atmosphere means low level of the oxygen and the higher level of the CO2 produced by the commodity itself into the product. And while in the other hand, in the active modified atmosphere, generally mechanical resources used to replace the air present into the package or into the storage house, and it is replaced air inside that package or the storage warehouse is replaced by the other gases of the combinations, and it may be done by the vacuum packaging or the other methods. Now, what are the various factors which generally influence the modified atmosphere and the control atmosphere storage? So generally temperature and the relative humidity, light and the sanitation factors has a great impact on the modified atmosphere and the control atmosphere storages. Generally, with the increase in the temperature, the product temperature also rises, which causes losses into the commodities, and it also increase the respiration rate, and it also increase the permeability of the film. Means when the temperature increases, so the holding capacity of the packaging laminates is reduced down, especially CO2 permeability higher than the oxygen permeability. We can say that the gas the gas inside the package, means higher concentration of CO2 will reduce down with the higher temperature, and the oxygen permeability will be also higher. Means oxygen permeability will also increase into the package. Due to that, the respiration risk will increase, and it is result to the decay into the product. Light also have the impact on the green vegetables, because in the light conditions, with the high lighter conditions will increase the photosynthesis process, and it leads into the bad quality of the products. And generally, that's why generally the most of the items is required need to be packed into the opaque or the opaque packaging. Like the potatoes need to be packed into the opaque packaging to reduce down the green coloration or greening of the potatoes. Sanitation factors, means packaging of the fresh fruits and vegetables in plastic film can create a higher humidity. Means when generally we place the green vegetables into the laminates, so due to the respiration, the humidity level inside that packaging is increasing. So due that humidity will motivate the microbes, and will help the microbes for the growth. So generally we try to be avoid to pack the fresh vegetables or leafy vegetables into the polythenes, and it should be packed with some gunny bags in gunny bags, or we can say the perforated bags items, to reduce down the humidity level inside to the package. Now, if we're talking about the what are the various merits and the demerits of the controlled atmosphere or the modified atmosphere, so if we talking about the advantages, so generally it retard the ripening of the fruits and vegetables, and the second one, it is also reduced down the microbial and the physiological injuries into the product of physiological decay, and maintenance of the product texture and the quality, means NC quality generally remains maintained to the modified atmosphere and the controlled atmosphere. While in the disadvantages part, definitely certain disorders will produce into the commodities like black heart in potatoes, and brown stain in lettuce, and the brown heart in apples and the pears. And also development of flavors and off odors, it may be due to the low concentration of the oxygen and the very high concentration of CO2. When the concentration oxygen concentration is reduced down, definitely it enhance the anaerobic respiration and fermented metabolism. Due to that, the fermentative of flavor is generated into the food commodities. It also in the modified atmosphere and the package and the control atmosphere generally increase susceptibility to decay when the fruits is physiologically injured by too low oxygen and the too high concentration of the CO2. In generally, the modified atmosphere and the control atmosphere only beneficial if the commodities have a higher market value, and there needs to be longer shelf life, and if we get the better price into the market, then definitely modified atmosphere, control atmosphere is a beneficial for us. So I hope, friends, that you like my that video, and please like and subscribe my video. So thank you.